now hear the message from Thank you, graduates. You may now be seated. To deliver the speech of gratitude, may I call on stage one of our outstanding students, Mary Ayesha Des Bumacchio. Let's give her a round of applause.
Today, I am very honored to be given this very special privilege to deliver our words of gratitude as we celebrate our triumph over the years of struggle, adversity, and perseverance. We recall the obstacles that are laid ahead of us as we savor the victories that came upon our hands. To our distinguished guest speaker, Mr. Mark Anthony de Guzman, to our school president and chairman of the board of trustees, Mr. Renato de la Cruz, our principal, Mr. Restituto San Pedro, our assistant principal, Mr. Romel Magpitang, our teachers, our dear parents, my fellow graduates, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a blessed morning to all of you. This is a very significant day for all of us graduating students. Both celebration and mourning are appropriate on this day. It is a celebration dahil handa na tayo umakyat ng isa pang baitang sa hagdan ng kabuluhan. It is also a sad day as we are departing from our beloved alma mater who nurtured us nang tayo ay mga musmus pa lamang, eager to participate in every school activity. Naalala mo pa ba noong pinagsuot tayo ng iba't ibang klase ng prutas at gulay para sa nutrition day noong grade 1 tayo? Eh yan, avocado ka nun. O naman, strawberry. Pero, yung pastry yung nanalo. Dahil, mga totoong prutas ang ginamit niya sa damit niya. How about, nung nagsuot tayo, pinagsayaw tayo ng may mga paso sa ulo para sa linggo ng wika? Ang magagarang kasuotan natin para sa United Nations Day. Hanggang sa biglaang pagtigil ng pag-ikot ng mundo dahil sa COVID pandemic. Hindi na tayo nagkita-kita simula noon. Hindi ba? Pero, sa awa ng ating poong may kapal, ito tayo ngayon. Sama-sama, nangangarap, at nagpapasalamat. My dear fellow graduates, I am aware that our elementary years were filled with many performance tasks, quizzes, and examinations that we were able to overcome. Now that we are about to leave our elementary years behind, let us not perceive that hardship will end right here on our graduation day. The priceless lessons, skills, and values we learned from MPHS will be our powerful tool as we step forward to the next chapter of our lives. At ito ay hindi mangyayari kung wala ang mga taong tumulong sa ating harapin ang mga ito. Sa aming mga guro, to taught us not only the lessons also taught us lessons in real life. We are very thankful for your support, care, and love. Today's achievement is the result of your contribution. A great impact that will be forever instilled in all of us. Thanks for guiding and inspiring us. Thank you for always being there when we are having a hard time understanding our lessons. Hindi niyo po kami sinubukan. Kahit na ang gugulo namin. Nandiyan po na puro basketball at ML lang pinag-uusapan ng mga boys. At gawin ng mga girls ay mga avid pa ni Marites na puro chismisan ang ginagawa sa klase. We really appreciate your effort. And of course, your patience. Sabi nga sa ating school hymn, what that my father wrote 6 years ago, to our teachers, so dear to us, surely our stars will shine too. Mga ma'am, mga sir, dahil po sa inyong lahat, tuloy-tuloy po ang pagginang ng aming kinabukasan. To our family, our parents, and our guardians who have been here since our first day in school, to share with you these first days of victory. First, to my whole family from the Santiago, Pumacio, and Benitez clan. Your unwavering support, encouragement, and love will not be left unnoticed. To my auntie, thank you for being my big sister and for teaching me the ways of the Force by taking me as your Padawan. May the Force be with you. To my tita, who we often call moms, thank you for staying with us, for being our second mother. You gave us all your love, just like Mama do. Kahit na makukulit kami nila Matthew, pati na ni Papa, mismo Papa, ay mahal na mahal niya pa rin po kami. Kahit na lagi kami nag-aasala ni Matthew, ay hindi pa rin po kayo nagsasawa kung sawayin kami. Kahit na napakahirap po namin isingin sa umaga, ay pinagtsatsagaan pa rin po kami. Kasalanan po kasi ni Papa at lagi kami pinukuya. Mismo ulit Papa. To my grandparents, who are all here to witness this event today, Nanay, Tatay, and Lala. Thank you for giving us your time today. This means so much to me. And thank you for your unconditional love and for raising our parents. At dahil po doon, napakaswerte po namin ng kapatid ko. To my brother, sorry at lagi kitang inaasar. Sorry din kung lagi tayo parang aso at pusa. Always remember that I'm always here for you whenever you need my help. Laro tayo Roblox mamaya. Siyempre, to my papa, pa, ito na po yung pinakahintay ninyo. Ito na po yung pangbawi ko. Thank you for never giving up on us. Though, alam ko how your world fell apart when Mama left us. You always make sure that you're always here para sa amin ni Matthew. Kahit kaano ka pa kabisi. mother. Salamat sa mga late reviews sa amin ni Matthew. Kahit na pagod ka na sa work, at bigla-bigla ka na nakakatulog habang nagre-review. At isa pa, game na game ka pa rin makipag-asahan sa amin. Or Daddy Big, like mine, with Funny Dummy. You're so lucky at ikaw ang naging papa namin. And of course, to the person who brought me into this world, my mama. Ma, saan ka man naroon ngayon? Thank you for your love, patience, and guidance. For being the beacon of my learning. You always taught me the lessons I did not understand before. You were the one who taught me how to read, how to write, and most importantly, what it truly means to be responsible. Because of you, I learned not just with my mind, but with my heart. You planted a seed that shaped who I am as a person today. I know you will be proud of where I am right now. Every step I take, every goal I reach, I am carrying your teachings with me. I want you to know that I am doing all of this for you. Sa lahat ng mga magulang na nandito ngayon, there will be more years of struggle. But we are confident that we'll triumph because we have parents and families like you. Thank you for being responsible parents to us. We wouldn't be here in this world without you. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga magulang. To my friends, my peers, and my schoolmates, your friendship and camaraderie has left a mark on me. You helped shape the person I am today. And for that, I'm truly grateful. Thank you for all the memories. Masaya man ito o malungkot. Kahit na nagkakagulo tayo o nagkakaaway-away paminsan-minsan, these are all part of growing up. Kahit hindi ako masyadong tumangkad. Buti na lang hindi daw kundi ulo na lang yung makikita niya sa akin. Thank you po, Ma'am Det, para sa patungan ko na to. Salamat sa walang katapusang chismisan, tawanan, at hampasan kahit masakit. Hindi kumpleto ang karanasan natin kung wala ang mga ito. I will never forget you. And I hope na magbigay rin ako ng positive impact sa mga buhay ninyo kahit pa paano. Lastly, to the institution who gave us the most wonderful opportunities, the mother of Perpetual Health School. It is truly to your vision we are all here. Because of you, I personally gained an enormous chance to participate in different being part of the student government since grade 4 up to becoming your SELG president today. By allowing me to compete in both PISA events, in academics and athletics division. You honed my craft in playing the keyboard by allowing me to play in the FHS band. And most importantly, you gave me a chance to serve our Lord Jesus by being part of the FHS choir. You really let us learn, excel, and shine. We are forever grateful, and we love you, FHS. Once again, this is just a new beginning for all of us. May mga bago tayong landas na tatahakin. Sigurado, there will still be obstacles and hardships, pain and sufferings, laughter and tears. But we can make it through if we put God at the center of our lives. Because with Him, we will never feel alone. Today, mangako tayo sa ating mga sarili. To discover new things and to develop our skills. To be a responsible citizen of this country. To be proud, but keeping our feet on the ground as we proceed to the next phase of our youth. From here, I want to share with you the final words given to me by my mother. Baliwala lang ang kahit anumang pagkakatilinuhan o parangal na meron ka. Kung hindi ka magiging isang mabuting tao sa puso, sa salita, at lalo na sa gawa. I am Dini A. Mary Ayesha S. Santiago Humacchio, and I am proud to be a graduate of the Mother Perpetual Health School. Mabuhay po tayong lahat, and congratulations to all of us!
Thank you, Ash.